Okay, if you guys have a coffee machine that does not work, I'm going to show you today how to take it apart and fix it. So first what we're going to do is we're going to flip this on the other side and we're going to start unscrewing those screws. So first one we're going to unscrew in here. This cover comes out. That screw. This screw. Next thing what I'm gonna do, put it on the side, and now I'm gonna push this cover. As you guys see, there is a line here, so this is two different pieces. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna pry this piece or push this piece towards my hand, and this thing should come out just like that. And now I'm gonna carefully remove this cable, and the cover should come off. So we got access to one side. Now I'm gonna flip it on the other side, and I'm gonna do the same thing. So there's a cut right here, so it should separate right here. Just like that. Carefully remove plastic. So now we got access. Very easy to do it. Now we got access to the back side. So next thing, I'm going to remove those two plugs, and I'm gonna get access to the two more screws, and we will remove this back side cover. All right. After those two screws unscrewed, so you guys want to pry this cover, back cover, out of the coffee machine, just like that, and then work your way with a screwdriver to unclip over here to loosen up this part, and then also to on this side. And then I'm going to show you how to take this cover off. So to take this cover off, you're gonna want to pry over here up towards this handle, and you're gonna get this cover off like that. Okay, I have this cover off. Then we're gonna unscrew this control button. All right, and now we have full access to the coffee machine. Okay guys, this piece, I took it off from here. So this needle, when you guys close this handle, so this needle goes into the coffee cup and injects the water into the coffee. So this is a valve was installed in here like that. I took it apart and this thing was completely plugged. So I cleaned this up, and let's see if that's gonna help to get this machine start working. Okay guys, I just wanted to show you what I did here. So the problem was in here with this injecting nozzle, I would call that. So what I did, I just took this apart, and was a coffee pack there. So I just cleaned it very good. And then also too, that's a level sensor. And I cleaned this too. And then the machine finally took off. And I'm gonna show you the result. So I'm gonna put the container now. I'm gonna turn the coffee machine on. Now I'm gonna cycle the lid. I'm gonna turn that. So there is no coffee cup there now, but I'm just gonna run the water. And as you guys see the coffee machine working now again, And yeah, so save your money and take it apart and fix it. So first we're gonna screw this keyboard back to the cover. Just like that. It just uses one screw. Get this screw. Alright, now carefully I'm gonna slide this cover back. Okay, so assembling everything back together. So in order to put this cover back, it's kind of tricky. You have to work with this handle to push it in, and then just like that. Okay, now we're gonna screw those two screws. Okay, and we're gonna carefully install this cover. So as you guys see, there is those two 90-degree pins, and here is just the locks. So we want to make sure with those two pins, we're gonna catch in here and then just lock it. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna set the cover like that. Just like that. All right. Now we're gonna put the sides. Okay guys, so now after this back cover installed, I'm gonna install this side covers. And as you guys see, there is 90-degree clips too. Also there is two more here. So we have to feed those into the holes in here in order to install, just like that. And then when you do that, you gotta watch, make sure those are going inside. All right. And just slightly push it with your hand. That should do it. Okay, I guess there is also two. You have to feed in here too, those pieces, just like that. Yep. And now we're gonna close. Yep, just like this. So this side done. Now I'm gonna flip it to the other side. Okay, so the same with this cover. So basically we have to feed all those pins into the holes. Same in here. So just like that. Have to feed the power cord. Like that. Like that. And now just slightly push it towards that way. Okay, and we got this thing locked. Yep, that's it. And now this thing is this cover. There's one screw holding this cover. that's it. Ready to make coffee.